So there's two ways of practicing on the Wing Chun dummy, okay? Either you can practice the soft styles, the soft style, I mean, for especially people who practice Wing Chun and they go soft just to understand the energy, right? So that's the soft way. In karate, it's a little bit different, right? Karate, sometimes we really want to condition the arm. So today the focus is not teaching you how to hit the Wing Chun dummy. The focus of today is how to strengthen your forearm so that if you do block someone, you want to block in a way that you're going to break his arm, right? So if I'm going to grab his arm, I'm not going to do the soft block. I grab and go bam, right? You really want to go at it right here in order to break the elbow. If you can break their elbow using your forearm, that means you are on the next level of your practice, right? So how can I help you to get to that level? And I have a series of weight training routine that I'm going to show you in order for you to develop the power in the forearm in order for you to be a better karateka. All right, so here you go. Grab 10-pound dumbbells, and I normally start out with 10 pounds. If you have 15 pounds, you can try 15 or 12.5 or even 5 or 8. The goal is to do at least 10 reps of one set of these, okay? And I have 5 different exercises in order to build the forearm, okay? So work along with me. And for me, when I work on these weights, I don't do it statically like that. I do it dynamically. What it means is I'm using my whole entire body and work it as well. So even though I'm working on my forearm, but it's also working on my stances as well to make it strong. Because think about it, the purpose of using your forearm is so you can do blocks, right? Or even strike, but mainly it's for blocking, and you have to have a strong base when you block as well, okay? So the first one is this way, like a chest block. So from here, and it's very important not to hold the dumbbell like this. Don't hold it like this, but hold like this, like how you hold a bowl, right? So you hold with your index finger out, and you go up like that, out and down. You see how I go up, and then out and down. And when you go out this way here, you see how my leg goes down? And then if you look from the side view, it goes like this. See that? And then up and out and down, out and down. Okay? So that's the first one for blocking. The second one is this way, horse stance as well. And then we go torque in like this, and then we go up, out. See that? Out. Your wrist all the way out until you cannot go any further. That's how you work the forearm. And then we go down, tuck it in, and out. 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 See? So you're working your forearm and your legs at the same time. Okay? The third one is from here. From here, don't lift it up like that, otherwise you're gonna work your shoulder. From here, just lift it up this way. So leave your elbow where it is, just straighten your wrist, lift it up like that, and sink down. Right? Sink, down, sink, and raise up, down, sink, and down, okay? And then the third one, the fourth one, I'm sorry, and then the fourth one is holding here, and out, middle, out, middle, out, middle, out, middle. You see how I'm going? Sink and middle. Okay, so that's so those are the four exercises with the dumbbells, and then the last one is pretty much standing in a hanchy stance, open wide. Squeeze, open, squeeze, open, squeeze. So this is from the side view. Open, squeeze, open, sink, open, sink, open, sink. And we do 20 of that, okay? So now you can work along with me. I'm gonna take you through a series of these, and all you have to do is 10 reps, okay? All in one set. So we do 10 of these, all those 5 exercises, just do 10 reps, and we're gonna do 3 sets. And I guarantee you your forearm will burn along with your legs. And in a way, training like this is good for you, not just only to improve your forearm, but let's say you're not gonna block somebody like that any longer, but now you're gonna learn how to block like this. Sink, right? Sink. And then I actually have videos here that I talked about that, so check that one out after you work out on this one. All right, so follow along in this video. I'm gonna work out with you and we're gonna work on the forearm together, okay? Here we go. Jigger tie, and here we go. Hold it like this and block. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, pause, down, 5, pause, down, 6, pause, down, 7, pause, down, 8, pause, down, 9, pause, down, 10, pause, down. Okay, from here to the side. Here we go. Tuck, 1, tuck, 2, tuck, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go, the third one. From here. Ready? 1, up, 2, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from here, fourth one, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! And here we go. Squeeze. We're gonna do 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Set number 1. Take a quick break, no more than 1 minute, and then we're gonna do set number 2 and try to do at least 3 sets of these. I would recommend to do at least twice a week in order to build the forearm and also your stances as well, okay? So grab some water and then come back. Okay, here we go, set number 2. I'm here with you guys, okay? So you just got your sip of water ready, so let's continue. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Here we go. Ready? 1 and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here we go, twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we just finished set number 2. Go grab a quick sip of water, and I'll see you back for set number 3. All right, here we go. Our third and final set. Here we go. We can do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here we go. Number 3. Ready? From here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. Fourth exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. Woo. Here we go. Let's end it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. All right, we did it. If you have been keeping up with me and come to this conclusion of the 3 sets, kudos to you for staying with me, and I'm sure that when you continue working on these, you're gonna start developing bigger and stronger forearm, as well as a nice base when you get into the foundation of the horse stance. And at the same time, you also practice a little bit of strengthening a little bit of your shoulder as well. Thank you. If you like what you've been seeing, please like, subscribe, share this to your friends, and I'll see you in the next videos.